Okay, we got 246 coming down the line and he's heading towards Buffalo. Alright. I think this one's going to be a big one, eh? The auto cars are going to be at the end, I believe. You can see it's got some gondolas, lumber cars on it. Steel coils maybe, I don't know. It's going to be a shitload of cars heading towards Buffalo and Hamilton area. The ones in the front are going to be dropped in Hamilton. The ones at the end will go straight to Buffalo. Zoom in, shall we? This baby's going to be long. Hear the ding noise? He's coming down the line. This is going to be a big load for Buffalo. Oh, he's coming. Oh, this one's going to be a big one. As soon as I get this 246, I might as well go home, eh? Because I need to freshen up. Oh, this one's going to be fucking huge. Now I see the auto cars. But there's going to be like 100 cars. Sorry for keeping you waiting, but here he is. Just back in so we don't disturb anyone. Oh, he's coming. Let's see what the engines he's got. I think he got 2 of them. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got some steel coils, gondolas, some steel slabs on a bulkhead flat car. These are on the front of going to Hamilton. This is going to be a big load, eh? Yes, later on they were doing some shit work on this line, eh? Get it cleared, eh? Cars are wobbling, eh? Oh yeah. Oh, what the hell is that? Cool, they're gonna fix a car. Wow. And of course we got some auto cars at the very end, eh? Biggest 246 ever. Usually small. The ones in the back are the ones at the end are going to go to Buffalo. The ones at the front are going to drop them. They're dropping them steel coils in Hamilton, I think. Wow. Nice. Longest 246 ever. Decent. I gotta go home and freshen up.